I know a lot of people have read this book, but I haven't. I think this book shows you how to manipulate people. Guys, in today's video, we are going to be reviewing all the books that I'm going to read this year, 2024. Out of curiosity, I decided to open it, but I haven't touched it. So we are going to be viewing all these books together in this video. Are you ready? Are you ready? Alright, so let's begin. I'm so excited. Wow. So the first book is The Laws of Human Nature. The Laws of Human Nature. I cannot wait to read this book. And it's a lot of pages. It has more than 500 pages. Are you ready? Love it. So let's check the next one. Oh, I've been wanting to buy this book for the longest of time. This is the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I know some of you have read this book, so if you have, write in the comment section how interesting the book is, if you rate the book over 10, and if you have any other recommendations, write them all in the comment section. But this book is interesting and I can't wait to read it. Let's see more. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so excited. So this is The Power of the Subconscious Mind. The Power of the Subconscious Mind. Oh my god, I cannot wait to tap into my subconscious mind in order to relate with people and to basically converse. And I love the way the words are. They are not so tiny. So let's see another book. Oh, guys, Surrounded by Idiots. Okay, so I know for sure that the people of the world, they just want to have fun, they want to be entertained, they don't want to stimulate their minds. So if you want to remove yourself from these kind of people, this book, I haven't read it, but from the name of the book, I would highly recommend that you read this book. Let's continue. Starts with Why. Oh my god, this book is for entrepreneurs. Start with Why. And the book is not so much. The book doesn't have a lot of pages, so which I love. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's continue. I know a lot of people have read this book, but I haven't. And for lack of a better word, I think this book shows you how to manipulate people. This is the 48 Laws of Power. I had an ex who had this book in his house, and somehow the guy wanted to get it into my head. The he in me is better than he that is in the world. But this book, I cannot wait to read this book. 48 Laws of Power. But we're going to wrote this. Wow. These books are written by the same author, Robert Greene. Amazing. I can't wait to dive into these books. So let's go. So this is by Brian Tracy. The Psychology of Selling. how you can sell to people, increase your sales. It's a good book. I got this book was recommended to me by a close friend, and I can't wait to actually read it. All right, let's. Okay, so these books were written by a Nigerian. So this is basically how to sell to Nigerians. If you are a small business owner in Nigeria and you are wondering how to sell to your fellow Nigerians, this book is for you. And oh yes, this is also for small businesses. And I love the way the pages are. Oh, so this is another amazing book, The Compound Effect. If you are invested in the stock market, you should read this book to understand how the stock market is. Jumpstart your income, your life, your success. This is an amazing book. Again, I love the way the wordings are. They are literally big, so it won't take you so much time to read. Oh, they communicate. Look at that. I think I was giving this as a gift. Wow, the communication. Look at this book. The communication book for the 4 ideas for better communication every day. Basically, how you can have conversation with people. So if you have not read How to Win Friends and Influence Others, you should read that book. It's a very interesting book. So maybe after reading that book, then you can read this book. But I actually cannot wait to read this book. And it comes with animations as well. Oh my god! Oh my god! I love books like this. So this book is The Courage to Be Disliked. The Courage to Be Disliked. How to free yourself, change your life, and achieve real happiness. Oh my god. So I love books like this. Books that make you to go into your mind and actually evaluate a lot of things. So this book, wow. So let's see. To sell a surprising truth about convincing, persuading, and influencing others. To sell is human. It's interesting too. Okay, let's continue. This is marketing. You can't be seen until you learn to see. This book is interesting, and also it was also recommended. So I can't wait to read this book. Let's see. Wow, guys, this book, I'm just saying wow, because The Intelligent Investor, you guys, if you want to learn how to invest in the stock market, you should buy this book, The Intelligent Investor. Wow. Oh, you guys, this book, The Magic of Thinking Big. The Magic of Thinking Big. I can't wait to read this book. This is for people who are so narrow minded and don't know how to go out of their comfort zone. I haven't read this book yet, but I assume this is what this book is about. It says here, set your goals high and exceed them. Shows you how to set your goals outside your comfort zone and how you can exceed those goals that you have set. The magic of thinking big. Acquire the secret of success. Achieve everything you've always wanted. Oh my God. Oh my God. And finally, blue ocean strategy. How to create uncontested market space and make the competition irrelevant. Wow. Basically, how to stand out among your competitors, how to have a competitive advantage over other people. I know it's not as easy, but at the same time, it takes consistency and it takes discipline. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So guys, these are the books I am going to be reading this year, 2024. And by the end of this year, I am going to make a review of all these books to tell you the ones that I rate a 10 over 10. So until the next video, have yourself a wonderful day. Bye.